Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about a new variety of allium. You're familiar with globe allium, so many different varieties, but this one, twisty, twirly, so grand. This is called greenberry. It has limited availability, short season, comes to us out of Japan. So it's a little more expensive, but it's very long lasting and oh so fabulous. The care is very easy. All you want to do is give it a cut and then set it into fresh water pre-mixed with flower food. Very, very easy, very long lasting, such an amazing bloom. You'll have to explore, see where you can get it. Allium greenberry, a new bloom for you.